Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar took a daring leap to the upside as the market went on to challenge that level once again at 77 cents. After recording a high of 77.08, the market drops away to a low of 76.35 this morning. In light of the failed challenge on the fifth time now, is the fact that further weakness is seen towards 76.15 and a break of 75.85.95 would actually see further risk to the downside and look towards that objective of 75 cents, which I'm still holding. Any advances on the day should find resistance around 76.75. The euro overnight takes a daring leap to the upside as the market tiptoes towards that 109 region and stabs, as you can see here, a high of 109.45 before retreating. Now, the dailies are still showing an oversold outlook, and as the histogram grows, we should not discount further challenges towards the upside, but towards the resistance of 109.45 to 109.70.75 should still find supply. And as you can see here, the market is still very much comfortable to show further supply as we've got a stab region there which failed, and of course the overnight as well. So I still view that this is just a short term correction towards the upside to get us out of this this oversold situation, or on a US dollar term, an overbought situation, and look for a pullback towards 108.85 and then lower down towards 108.25 with the objective still holding towards 107.40.60 or 40.70. Interesting to see the dollar yen is still holding a bullish tone. With the break of 104.30 yesterday, the market is held up quite well. Now there's two views today. One is while we hold above the support of 103.80, then I'll be looking for further upside potential with a break of 104.90 to 105.10 gives scope towards 105.85.95 to even higher towards 106.60. And you can see on the dailies that we have turned here and we are looking quite bullish, and I think that it is viewed that the market is probably short now as we go higher and higher, and it will squeeze these shorts out and eventually look towards the upside to those objectives. Now the second part of the view is failing to hold above that 103.80.90 level today. This would give further weakness and expose a 100-point drop towards that key level of 102.70.80, and only a break of there would expose towards 100 region, which is unlikely while this pattern looks very bullish. No real views at the moment on sterling, only to the fact that we did reject off the 120.60.80 level and the market has held to a bullish tone. Looking to the upside, resistance comes in at 122.60, which could see further scope towards 123.10.15 to 123.75.95. However, I feel beyond 122.60 should fail, and eventually we see a fall towards this 122.60.80 level, and a move beneath there gives further downside exposure to 118 to 118.50. My view on gold is turning quite rapidly as the market fails towards that 12.76 level again overnight. Now looks towards the support seen at 12.60. A break of 12.60 will give further scope to the downside and look towards that target around 112.40, maybe lower towards the 112 figure 10 region. So do keep an eye on this bearish pattern that's coming through on gold now. And to wrap with oil, well, we broke through that 49.40 level yesterday, and with the whipsaw price action, market went back to re-challenge it and only to reject it. I'm still in view that we are looking at $46 a barrel, and any advances now should see a cap between 50.20 to 51.14. Well, that wraps my intro webinar. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the day ahead.